Hey YouTube, this is how to fix a keyboard on any phone. So I just have this thing. See how it's missing like this right up here? Well, I'm gonna show you how to fix that right now. So first thing is what you want to do is take this off the back panel. It could be on any phone, it just doesn't have to be on a Palm. Any phone that has like a keyboard like this, or like a slider. Then you want to take the battery out. Then what you want to go and do is grab a bottle of lotion like this. Open it and just you want to just put it on it like that. Make sure you flip it around too. You want to rub it all in like this. Just yeah. So then what you want to go do is put the battery right there. Alright, get it all around, and then you're going to want to put more lotion on it and rub this like that. Then you're going to want to just put it in like that, put the back panel on, then what you want to go do is grab a leaf like this and put it on right there. Now what this does, it makes it so the keyboard will be safe when you actually apply the keyboard on. So right now I'm gonna go grab the keyboard, and here it is. So this keyboard right here is, I think you can get at Walmart for like 20 bucks. It's kind of cheap. You just put it rolling right there. It's a very cheap keyboard, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like,